Alrighty YouTube, and welcome to Fernvalley Farms Beekeeping channel. If you're looking for beekeeping videos, this is the channel to come to. My name is Vince, and welcome. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to combine a hive. I got one over here. I'll link the video at the end of this one. I did a video on what it looks like to have a queenless hive. What it looks like if you ever wonder what's going on with your hive. There's no larvae, there's no eggs. I wanted to show everybody what it looks like when your hive is queenless. Well, and it's been like that for a little while, so I'm going to combine that hive now into this hive right here that was requeened about 4 weeks ago. It's doing pretty good, but it's kind of light. I want to boost this thing up. It's August. I want to get it stronger for winter. So I am going to combine that hive into this hive with using the newspaper thing. All right, what I got going here, this hive was requeened. I'm not going to get in there and mess with it too much. She is laying. I gave him a pollen patty, and I've got some new frames, so I am feeding this hive also. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a layer of newspaper in between this when I put the other box on here. Alright, so I got some newspaper here. I'm just going to take one sheet of paper. I don't want to just combine them by just throwing one on top of the other, because if they all don't play nice, and I don't want my queen getting killed. I'm going to put the paper on like that, if it stays. Let me get, whoop, careful, don't kill anybody here. I want to cut a few slats in it. This way the bees they'll start working their way through. So this way, with the newspaper in between, it gives them time to learn to know each other. So, I gotta shake the bees from the other box. I got bees in the top box here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on. Just shake them in. You can see there's a bunch of bees in here still. I hate to lose these guys. Just shake them in. And what I am going to do, because in this bottom box here, the one I just put on there, there's a whole bunch of frames with nectar and pollen. I'm going to pull some of those out and put drawn frames in, because I am feeding these guys. But I'm going to let these guys settle in first, and I'm going to switch these frames out in a couple of days. one bead. It doesn't want to leave. You got to get out. There you go. There. So like I said, I'm going to come back in a couple of days, let these guys get down in there and switch out. Actually, I could just do it right now. Where's my smoker? Come on, get off. This one's got to be taken up to the house because yeah, I'm going to come back and actually do it at a different time. I'm going to come back at a different time. I'm going to let these guys settle in. I'm not going to do it right now. I just kind of upset everybody's world here. I like to let, kind of like even with animals. I know bees are different, but when you move them, I even like animals. When you bring a new horse here, I have horses. You bring a new horse, they got to settle in. I'm going to let these guys just settle in for a little while. Let them start going through that newspaper, get to know their new family. And then I'm going to come through here, take a bunch of these frames out. I want to do it when I got my four-wheeler out here, so I can get these frames out of here right away. I don't want to start any robbing, you know. So we're just going to cover them back up. I'm going to put the feeder on for right now since it's out here. Actually, wrong way. No, I'm right. What am I doing? Nope, I'm right. Put the feeder on. I'll come back here in a few days, like I said, switch some of these frames out. I got bees over here. Oh, hold the phone. I forgot I got bees over here. Forgot I got bees on my honey box too. That's why this is hard sometimes. You got boxes all over the place. You got bees trying to come back. I'm going to haul them back up to the house, get them out of here. I'm going to get my four-wheeler so I can carry them out here. Alright, now, feeder back on. Put this on here. Okay, like I said, this is just how I do it. I'm going to come back. I could switch all that around right now, but I'm going to wait. I want to get all these. Some of these frames got honey on them. I'm going to get all that out of here, get them back up to the barn, get them put away. I don't want to start any robbing out here, so I'm going to get all this stuff cleaned up, come back in another day or two, switch out some of them frames. I'll do a video on it. So, like I said, I'll leave at the end of this video what it looks like when you got a queenless hive. You can check that video out when this is done. They're combined. The newspaper's got some slits. I just leave it now, give it a week or two. They'll work their way through it, top and bottom, and then I'll go in there and pull the newspaper off. And hopefully this hive does really well. Now I don't lose all those bees. So I was going to wait, but I'm like, you know what, I'm just going to do it now. So anyways, that's it. So hopefully you liked the video. Do me a favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up. And I will talk to you guys like really soon in the next video. All right, bye.